Hi, I am Tunzi. Let's walk through how to connect your printer to Yoco Counter and get printing in just a few minutes. If you're using Yoco POS App on your tablet instead, you'll follow the same steps. Let's begin from the cell screen by tapping on More, then Printer, then follow the prompts to begin setup. You will be guided through each step, including powering on, loading paper, and connecting the printer. Now, let's power on your Yoco printer. First, connect the printer's charger cables together. Then plug the power cable into the printer and switch on the power button. You'll hear a beep and see a green light. That means it's ready to go. Use the volume buttons to adjust the alert sounds to your liking. When you're done, tap Next. Now, let's load your paper. Open the lid and insert the paper roll, with the paper feeding from the top. Close the lid firmly. The red paper warning light will turn off when it's properly loaded. The printer uses standard 80mm thermal paper rolls, which you can buy from retailers like Macro, Waltons, or Take-A-Lot. Now that the paper is loaded, tap Next on your Yoco Counter. Let's get ready to pair your printer via Bluetooth. Make sure the printer is within 10 meters of your Yoco Counter. On the screen, select Bluetooth connectivity and tap Next. When your printer appears in the list, select it and tap Next to start pairing. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. After pairing, you can give your printer a name and choose what it will print. Bills and receipts only, or order slips too. Tap Save when you're finished, then tap Print to test the receipt. Now that your printer is ready to go, let's show you how to print bills, receipts, and order slips. Let's print an itemized bill to show your customers the total before they pay. You can now do it straight after ringing up an order. Just tap Print Bill from the open sale. Or if you've saved the order, open it up and tap Print Bill. Now, let's look at how to print a receipt after completing a sale. First, tap Charge to start the payment process. Choose the payment method your customer wants to use. Then tap the Pay button so your customer can complete the payment on the Neo Touch card machine. Once the payment has been approved, you'll see options for the receipt. You can either send it digitally or tap Print Receipt to print proof of payment. Once you're ready, tap Done to finish up. If you ever need to print a receipt again, you can do that anytime by opening the sale from your sales history. To send orders straight to the kitchen or bar, let's enable automatic order slip printing. Tap More, then tap on the printer to open the settings. Next, tap the Edit button. Toggle on order slips to print automatically each time you save or charge an order. When you're done, tap Save to apply your new printer settings. Let's see how it works. Open a saved order, add something new, or make a change. Every time you save the updated order or tap the Charge button, an order slip prints automatically, keeping your team in sync. And that's it. Your Yoco printer is now set up and ready to print bills, receipts, and order slips. If you'd like to customize what appears on your receipts, just follow the link in the description to adjust your settings in the Yoco app.